88 million interchange, wooden pause, the rotten symbolism of Zimbabwe's priorities. Sana vina mashoko ari kuonekwa kunze right now. Pane mapictures ari kutenderera ekumbudzi interchange kana kuti the Trabablas interchange. Inoonekwa kunze they spent something around 88 million. To round up maybe to something around 90 million. Kuonekwa kunze, but the government is still prioritizing kuisa wooden pause nezvimwe zvakadaro zvinokwa kunze. It's a cheap material. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva ino tinopinda Ministry of Transport. In preparation for the official commissioning of the Trabablas interchange by His Excellency President Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa on Friday, 30 May. Honorable Minister of Transport, Infrastructure Development, Honorable F.T. Mona, today led an inspection tour of the project site. He was accompanied by Honorable Minister Tourism and Hospitality Industry, Honorable B. Rhodzi, and the Permanent Secretary, Engineer J.P. Makumbe, as they assessed the complete transformative infrastructure, a key milestone under the Second Republic's infrastructural development agenda. Wanapost my pictures amurukona in the video. Mojona pakasa wooden pause. Nemango structures anoonekwa kunze angori matombo or gravel. Unokwa kunze at some point some critics are vachiti they must put concrete kana kuisa steel pause anoonekwa anenge akasimba, but right now vanhu vachiona mamwe maposts sera muri kuona iri achiuya akasapotewa wooden pause. People they are calling for accountability. Vachiti so we are telling us kuti 88 million yakakwanisa kutenga these wooden pause. Mashoko ari kuyashitogwa nemacritics vachitaura mashoko achiti these inspectors panguva ino vanenge vachidzikisira mutungamiri wenyika pamwe chete engineers or the people who are responsible for developing this interchange. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.